In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize Zapier's free plan and stretch 100 free tasks each month. If you're just getting started with automation, this will help you build useful workflows without paying, while staying comfortably within the limits of the free plan. First, confirm your account setup so you know exactly what you're working with. Head to Zapier.com and log in. Click your profile icon, then go to Settings and open Billing and Usage. Here, you'll see your current plan and how many tasks you're allowed each month. On the free plan, that's 100 tasks. Think of a task as any action your Zap completes. Every time an action runs, one task is used. Next, keep your automations lean by building single-step Zaps. Click Create Zap and set up one trigger and one action only. Avoid extra steps, paths, or loops, because each added action will consume more tasks. For example, you can set a trigger for a new Google form response and an action to send an email via Gmail. Each time someone submits the form, Zapier performs the email action, and that counts as one task. This simple pattern is powerful, and it stretches your monthly allowance. If you need to notify multiple people, consider using a single email with multiple recipients rather than stacking multiple send email actions. When choosing apps, stick to ones available on the free plan, like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and RSS by Zapier. These cover a lot of everyday needs, from logging entries to sending updates. You can also use Zapier's built-in tools, Formatter, Filter, and Delay, but use them only when necessary, because each one counts as a task when it runs. For instance, if you can clean up text or format dates at the source, do that to avoid adding a formatter step. The goal is to keep each Zap as efficient as possible. Finally, keep a close eye on your usage so you don't run out of tasks mid-month. Go back to Settings, open Billing and Usage, and check the usage section. You'll see how many tasks each Zap is consuming and your total for the month. If a Zap is using more tasks than expected, tighten its trigger, simplify its action, or pause it temporarily. Small adjustments can make a big difference in staying under the 100-task cap. By following these steps, you can run multiple automations on the free plan without exceeding 100 tasks per month. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.